Hey, what's up guys? Cookies here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a very hyped up video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically play Fortnite, or showing you guys how to build the ultimate Fortnite mobile gaming console. So what you want to do is, I'm going to just record this real quick. So you guys can see what everything's happening on my phone screen. So just start recording, and it's recording. Now, I put my thumbs up so I know what's recording. So you want to do is you want to grab your Samsung S10, S10e, or S10 Plus. You want to open up the launcher. That's not how you open it up, but you just find it. You don't want to open up Fortnite. Now that that's going, you're going to want to get a USB-C to HDMI cable as seen here. I'm sorry if my lighting's terrible, but you know, it's the best we got, or I got. And then you're going to want to get a Bluetooth controller. I just got this one. I'll be showing you guys pictures. I swipe up again to open Fortnite, and yeah, that's basically it. Gotta get your Android device, and you want to go to and as you can see, HDMI connected. Swipe up, and it should be automatically screen mirroring, but for this purpose I want to rotate the orientation, so I gotta go like that. Gotta make it rotate like that so you can see it on the big TV. Now that it's on the big TV, gotta press game launcher, go to Fortnite. So that's like an automatic way how to play Fortnite on your TV. I will be showing you guys a bit of gameplay. And yeah, just gotta move around real quick. All you gotta do is just hold out your controller in front of you. Just kidding. So yeah, it works. The button works. Move everything around. Buttons work. Everything works. Let me know if you guys want gameplay of the controller working. These are my presets. I have a low, but I can go up higher. I just don't feel like it because I don't want the phone to work out too much. Just for old time's sakes, you know. I don't want my device heating up on me. And that's exactly what's gonna happen when I put on 60 FPS. That's right. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Comment down below which is your favorite part. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Gotta get your Android. Ah, snap.